lo que yo tengo de más.
You killed it, you killed it, you killed it. Are you freaking kidding me? What's up, YouTube? Hope you guys are feeling good. Today, guys, we are back again to a new video, guys. I'm on here with my beautiful guys.
The same cover.
Guys, we are reacting to an amazing singer, Lupita, the Alessio, singing Inocente, pobre, amiga. You guys requested this, and I want you to check it out, guys. You know how I'll do it. We'll talk less of it. Don't react more. Let's get into this video. The lyrics of this song is really painful.
Te pareces tanto a mí que no puedes engañarme. Nada ganas conmigo, mejor dime la verdad. Sé que me vas a abandonar y sé muy bien por quién lo haces. ¿Crees que yo no me doy cuenta? Lo que pasa es que no quiero más problemas con tu amor. Que te vas a ir con ella. Está bien.
I like her gestures.
No me opongo.
Body language.
Te deseo que seas feliz, pero te voy a advertir que si vuelves otra vez no respondes. ¿Crees que yo no me doy cuenta? Lo que pasa es que no quiero más problemas con tu amor. Seré una tonta que te quiere y que se enamoró de ti. Sé bien que los dos se entienden, que los dos se ríen de mí. ¿Crees que no me daba cuenta? Pues ya ves que no es así.
Hey.
I love this.
Guys, pardon me, the lyrics of this song, it's really painful because the lyric says that I know I'm like you, and if you want to meet the second woman, go meet her, but don't come back to me. Carry your problem and go. But the way she's expressing herself, she feels happy that the person is leaving her. And I love her energy, I love her body language. You see the way she was explaining the song? She was like giving some eye gestures, some body movement. I was like, wow, this is impressive. I love her style of singing, I love her performance, guys. She's an amazing woman. Like, this is a beautiful performance, and I love her excitement in her face. The smile keeps on going up. How's this for you?
I'm enjoying the video. The way she's just smiling, I'm like, when she started, I just saw this big smile on her face. I was like, I thought this was gonna be a sad song, but she's kind of happy, it's going. I just love the way she's dancing. Like, she started with the sweet dance, and that was nice. And her voice is so good. When she just started singing, whoa! I'm like, God, this girl is so good. She's so unique, and her smile is just so contagious. I just want to smile along. I'm enjoying the video a bit. I love her voice. I love the style.
Let's just keep on watching and see what more she has to offer.
Hace tiempo que lo sé. Yo jamás te dije nada. Y a pesar de tu traición, te di la oportunidad de que recapacitaras. ¿Crees que yo no me doy cuenta?
Gestures.
Lo que pasa es que ya no quise más problemas con tu amor. Y esa tonta que te quiere y que se enamoró de ti, no sabe lo que le espera, piensa que va a ser feliz. Inocente, pobre amiga, no sabe que va a sufrir. Para eso a ella le falta lo que yo tengo de más. Te pareces tanto a mí, que ya no pueden engañarme.
Oh my goodness!
Oh, I love this.
I feel like she's like, this is what you're missing, a beautiful woman like me. You're going for the lady? This is crazy. This is really lovely. I love her excitement. I love how she's able to like see breakdown or heartbreak as something positive to move forward, because not everyone who takes heartbreak like that. Wow, she's really smart. She said, you think I'm a fool? I'm not a fool. I love her bravery. I love her attitude. I love her gestures, her body language, guys. She's amazing. She knows how to perform. She knows how to speak to her audience. You see there, she look at the camera and says like she's talking to someone there. I really like this. I really like that about her. This was beautiful. I enjoyed myself listening to this music. It's so good. It's really good. It just makes me keep on smiling. Like, her way of singing is splendid. How's it for you?
Like, I love the way she's not accept to be the guy's second option, and like, if you want to go meet the other woman, you can go. Like, I just love that she's not going to be in a relationship just because she loves you and you are not reciprocating it. You feel like you're doing her a favor, but she's like, if you want to meet the other lady, please dude, you gotta go. And I just love the way she's not even sad. She's just singing like she escaped something. She's just escaped the bullet, guys. Like, that's just how she's expressing herself right here, and I'm enjoying it. I love this performance. The way she carries herself in this song is so unique. Her voice is, this was incredible. I enjoyed every bit of it. I love her style. I love her singing. I love it.
So guys, comment down below your first time hearing this music. How's your reaction? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with as many as can, subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys. You know how it is. See you guys in this video. Make sure you stay safe.
I just want a bag, like an old lady. I'm backwoods smoking, I don't own papers, past that 808. That don't shake her. Oh, bitch, you know I'm grinding like a pro skater. Baby mama bugging, I'm so quick to hit ignore. Buku bitches in my bed, I got scales all